Alright, we are back. Trying to at least put in a little bit of work today, in between everything else that's going on. So we all know the coronavirus is around here and giving us all a royal pain, I guess the best way to put it. Everyone on quarantine, houses in lockdown. So trying to do what we can in between everything else going on. As we see here today, it's going to be at least pulling the AC compressor off, trying to pull this bracket off, get the rest of that wiring out of the way, get the connections back there, take the stuff off the valve cover, possibly get the intake off the other big bracket over there, which may have to wait till the engine comes out because of the bolt hidden. It's frozen. And yeah, just trying to get little bits done here and there. Hoping by, doing all this, spreading the channel into getting more cars, doing things, building more cars for you guys, and eventually taking them to the track days and basically having fun. Video for everyone in the audience on how to do things in the shop and run the cars at the tracks, build cars, things a little unorthodox, but still work and it's still just as fun. So we'll check back with you guys shortly. This is one of the, like we were saying before, it's going to be one of the many playlists. Cars, trucks, engines, whatever we come across. Me and the family, and there'll be other playlists like video logs, and if I get myself another motorcycle, maybe some video logs while riding. I'm sure people are interested in that from what I'm seeing. But basically, it's just videotaping real life, real people, a real family, doing real things, trying to make the best of our lives. And this section is just my section, which revolves around engines and cars and having a good time.